Welcome back. Today's episode is about Albania, and we've got a very special guest lined up for you, so stay tuned till the end. Albania declared independence in 1912. That's 2 years before World War I, but independence was sort of shaky. The Ottoman Empire wasn't very happy about it and probably thought of taking them back. So at that time, this man, Noli's efforts meant a lot. He was a diplomat, a prime minister, and a priest, and in every way he helped build New Albania's identity. Start with priest. In the early 1900s, foreign powers like Greece tried to divide Albania along religious lines to make it easier to control. For example, the Greek Orthodox Church would not allow services in Albanian. Noli believed that each religion, whether it is Catholicism, Orthodox Christianity, or Islam, should all have an Albanian form of expression. So when one Greek Orthodox priest refuses to do the final rites for an Albanian nationalist, Noli gets himself ordained a priest and starts the Albanian Orthodox Church. And that has a unifying effect on a newfound Albania. But it's not enough to be just united, you need to be recognized as an independent nation by the world. And Noli managed just that. He got Albania international recognition. He was the voice of the Albanian expatriate community in Europe as well as in America. He got the attention of US President Woodrow Wilson, and he got Albania into the League of Nations, which is the precursor to today's United Nations. Noli runs for office in Albania. He gets elected as prime minister for a brief while in 1924, but because of a coup he's ousted, and he spends the rest of his life as a writer and journalist, and he basically extensively promotes the Albanian language. So he's basically contributed to Albania through religion, through diplomacy, through politics, and through literature. That's Noli for you. Now, we wouldn't have this beautiful banknote if it wasn't for Yuli Zuluftari, who gave it to me 11 years ago. Yuli is a fellow ISK alumnus.
Go Lions!
And he's my favorite Albanian. Yuli and I were talking a few days ago. He's interested in security, ethical hacking, and investment banking. Yuli's going to be sharing a unique Albanian perspective on 2 of our upcoming episodes, so I'd like you to meet him. Yuli, take it away, bro.
Hey guys, thank you. A little bit about me. I kind of grew up in 3 different continents. I grew up in Europe, Africa, and the US, and it's been really an awesome experience for me.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, follow me. And if you contributed to my collection at any time in the past 20 years, please holler. I'd love to do an episode with you. And if you have an interesting story to share from an exotic country, reach out to me and we can think of episodes to do on those as well. See ya.